If you are a beach lover like me and who loves to come to East Coast Park, this unit I'm going to show you later is just a short walk away, and this might be a home that you are looking for. This is Amos from UrbanAgents. Today we are at 54 Marine Terrace Heaven. This is a 4i HDB unit with 3 plus 1 bedroom. Total size of this unit is 947 square feet and it is facing south, facing the sea, and we have a big and spacious living room. Look at it. Follow me to the kitchen. I really love this kitchen. This kitchen is very well maintained, very neat, very tidy. I love this bathtub table. You can fit a 6-seater dining table in front. You're here, you're preparing your food and serve your friends out there. And what's best about this unit, the bathroom have been upgraded. There is an additional room, added for you right at the back of this unit. This room can be your utility room, can be your maid's room, can be your study room, and can also be your storeroom. This is where my bedrooms will be, one on my left and 2 on my right. Those 2 on my right, you can actually hack down the walls in the centers to combine into a huge master room. And this is where you can place your king size bed, and here you can actually build your walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite bathroom. So if you like a cozy HDB that's near East Coast Park, there's 1 kilometer within Townham Primary School, 5 minutes walk to the upcoming Marine Terrace MRT Station, near shopping mall, near food center, easy access to ECP, and you can reach CBD within 10 minutes drive. If you like this unit, do give me a call. I'm Amos from UrbanAgent. And if you like such video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.